finally dropped his Poland song or whatever. You feel me? I fought the war to Poland. I gotta watch that. You know I gotta watch that. You know I gotta watch that. Javon, the more I see you in here, the more I'ma mod you. Are you fucking with that, Phil? I'm trying to show you. Like them. Like them. Just that walk. Like, just that walk. Like, just that walk. Like, just that walk. I know the volume was all the way up. Damn. Just that drink. Like,
I've been feeling like I'm keening. Ride with a Caltech.
nigga said Jen got the walk. Jen got the walk. Yeah, y'all from Poland. Yeah, I'm saying though, Jen got the walk. See, I'm definitely feeling, nigga. I'm definitely feeling, nigga. And what? What about it, nigga? Do something, Gibby. You know, I'm big Gibby K. You already know that. Stop playing with me. Let me restart the track now. Jen got the walk.
I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland.
I thought this was New York at first. I don't know, is it?
To Poland.
It looked like it.
I've been feeling.
Nah, these gotta be easy. These gotta be some unreleased Yeezy shits. Them shits is ugly as fuck. That's how I know they gotta be easy. Kanye, you know what I'm saying? Kanye be Kanye. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got, let me post it, I'm live. I ain't even gotta say too much, but Kanye be Kanye. You know what I'm saying? That's how I know there's some Yeezys. Nigga said nasty ass seats. This just look half done. I really don't know what this nigga's saying, but this beat just so hard and he flowing on it so hard that, you feel me? It just got a nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Hope you love me, baby. I hope you mean it. To Poland, I took the walk.
They're like soul, but it ain't.
To Poland, I took the walk.
That was Baby Tron. Can you get prom and cancel it before? Yeah. That's like all, you know what I'm saying? All, everything. When they be like 3-day trial. That's what I do on Apple. When I buy something for 3-day trial, after I buy it, I automatically just stop it. Like, take my, you feel me? Cancel it. Because the trial still got to go on for what they said, nigga. That's they promise, nigga. Then your shit glitch. What you mean your shit glitch?
To Poland.
Crazy, this shit hit. That shit hit. It be the things you don't expect, be like the just littlest shit. That's gonna be a hit, bro. I took the walk to your mama's crib. I took it off and it keeps popping back up.